In today's video, we are going to share to you our visit to Arashiyama District.
In some part, we use mamachari bikes. Taihene! Tara! Let's
go!
Good
day mga kabike
date.
We just rented bikes beside the Arashiyama train station. We try to explore the area using mamachari bikes.
Mukhang madaling gamitin, pero hindi pala. Mabigat, malikot, at ang baba ng upuan. Kapag lumiko ng kusa, mapapasunod ka na lang. Either medyo luma na yung bike or naninibago lang kami compared sa MTB o gravel bike.
Papunta kami sa Togetsu-kyo Bridge para makita ang artistic form of the bridge. Kakaiba yung form ng Katsura River, malapad na mababaw, parang nakadesign yung cascade ng tubig. Yung west side ng bridge ay scenic mountainside ng Western Hills ng Kyoto. Sa peak ng autumn, mamumula yung mga dahon ng mga puno.
Pabalik kami papunta ng isang shrine. Popular kasi itong Tenryuji, kaya maraming tao sa loob. Change plan tayo. On to the next shrine.
Marami talagang tao dito sa Arashiyama dahil sa mga popular sites, especially yung Bamboo Grove. Maraming tourists kaya di kami makapag-bike sa sidewalk. Nakakailang pa dahil nasa kabilang side ka ng kalsada. Also, nasanay kang sa left shoulder ng lingon, pero this time sa kanan.
Pero pag nasa outside the tourist spots, medyo mabilis na at konti na ang tao. Maya't maya rin ang tigil namin dahil we have to check yung maps for direction.
Maganda rin ang kalsada, wala masyadong uneven surface, hindi rin maalikabok, kaya enjoy magbike at saka tama lang ang lamig.
Mag-enjoy ka sa makikita mo sa inner roads. Kita mo yung mga typical houses and environment. Surprisingly, akala mo mga bahayan lang. Biglang may shrine or temple.
Pasok tayo sa Nison-in Temple. Buddhist temple siya which belongs to Tendai sect. Ito yung main pathway towards the temple sa paanan ng bundok. Maganda itong spot for fall foliage viewing, especially kapag peak. Mostly ang nakatanim dito ay momiji or Japanese red leaf maple trees.
Ito na yung main entrance to the shrine. On the main hall and shrines, two Buddha images as its principal worship. One is the founding Gautama Buddha of Haken and Amitabha of Raige.
We got to try ringing the bell. Near the bell tower are flights of steep stone steps approaching to the hilltop, where the renowned ancient imperial cemetery for emperors and members of aristocracy are located.
Enjoy din magbike using mamachari. Mama just means mom, and chari is a casual way of saying the bicycle in Japanese. Mabigat siya at mababa ang upuan. Kailangan mo lang din masanay. Pang-errands talaga siya. Pang-malapitan lang, panghatid ng bata, at pang-grocery. Isoli na natin itong bike at habol pa tayo sa next destination natin.
Ang Kimono Forest ay katabi ng istasyon. Ang cylindrical pillars ay may iba't ibang kulay at pattern na tela para sa kimono. Kyoryusen technique is a dyeing and printing style used to create the brightly colored kimono yusen in Kyoto.
Kailangan nating makarating sa Saga Toroko Station ng madalian. Baka maiwan tayo ng Sagano Romantic Train. Umabot tayo, just in time.
The Sagano Romantic Train travels leisurely following the scenic beauty of the Hosokyo Ravine on its route. Tignan natin kung nagpalit na ng kulay ang autumn leaves. Medyo mabagal lang ang takbo. Mga lumang tren at kahoy na benches ang ginamit para retro feel. Okay din yung kulay ng tren, red and yellow, parang pang fall foliage color din.
Sayang at napaaga ang visit namin. Ganito sana yung makikita. Magandang balikan ito kapag sakura full bloom at fiery autumn. Masaya din naman at different experience.
We are walking near the rice fields papuntang station, returning to Arashiyama. The mystical bamboo path in Arashiyama is a great change of pace from your typical sightseeing day in Kyoto. Bagamat ang path ng bamboo grove na may 500 meters lang ay open for both pedestrian at cyclists, baka abutin ka ng mahigit na 1 oras dahil sa dami ng tao na kumukuha ng pictures.
Pakinggan at panoorin natin yung tumutugtog na kakaibang instrument. O kaya yun? Habol kami ng closing hours. Wala kaming masyadong video. Bawal kasi sa Kinkakuji, kaya pictures lang ang ma-share namin.
Kinkakuji or Golden Pavilion is a Zen temple whose top 2 floors are completely covered in gold leaf, built overlooking a large pond, and is the only building left of a shogun's former retirement complex. Napaka-iconic ng temple na ito for Japan. Dito ka lang nakakakita ng shrine na covered with gold leaf.
End of a tiring and fantastic 5th day. Amazing din magbike papunta sa mga tourist spots para makabawas sa mahabang lakarin.
Balikan natin ang romantic train sa magandang panahon para lalong ma-enjoy ang view. Puntaan hanggang sa dulo ang mystical path ng Bamboo Grove para sa mas konti na turista.
Kumuha dapat ng maraming picture sa Kinkakuji. Huwag magpasaway na kumuha ng video. That's all for now. Abangan ang aming Day 6 video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch other videos here. Bye!